Tell you how this is gonna work. You're gonna
You ain't gonna tell me shit.
Listen.
Suck my
Shut up. Listen to me.
Suck my you man.
Listen.
Suck my
You will be here in the court on
You'll
Monday.
be here sucking my
Well, listen to me now.
Go yourself.
I'm breathing in the chemicals.
Before and after Black Widow exhaust install.
Oh my god! Wow!
Should I take off my glasses?
Oh, no, this isn't an eye test. It's a gay test. Now tell me, number 1 or number 2?
Number 1?
Interesting. Okay, number 1 or number 2?
Oh my god.
Number 2, right?
Maybe I am gay?
Okay, alright. That's good to know.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster.
What would you do if I broke into your house?
NANI?!
Carbon fiber, Carson's flyers, Cabron's fibers, cars for hire, crabs on fire.
Budweiser presents Real Men of Genius.
Real men of genius.
We got the midget on a motorcycle, folks. Found him. Found him. Come on. Jump off, little buddy. Jump off. Come on, man. Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh my god, this is so wrong.
Do it!
Here we go. The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see this.
He's gonna jump back on your motorcycle.
Vroom, vroom.
How everyone thinks I write all the time versus how it actually goes.
I don't know what that was.
Kid.
Fucking problem!
No? See what I mean?
American made.
Look at it shaking! Harley guys can no longer argue with me at all. Look at that. It is literally
American made, baby. American made.